Today, let me share with you how to configure Proxy 302 in SessionBox. Let's open www.proxy302.com. Click the button to start free trial. Proxy 302 supports HTTP and SOCKS 5 protocols. After logging in, we generate a proxy for configuration, static IP proxy that pays by traffic. We choose the United States US, Enterprise Premier Route, Node 1. Click to generate now. Proxy generated successfully. We click the blue button next to the proxy information. Open the replication window of the proxy. Copy and paste information according to the format set by SessionBox. Log into the SessionBox. Click the Settings button. Select Manage Proxies. Click Add Proxy. Copy and paste the proxy information in Proxy 302. Click Create. Check the added proxy. Click Test Proxy. Proxy detection successful. Enable the proxy we added. Select Proxy 302. Visit the website IP to location. Check whether the IP is consistent. IP is consistent. Configuration is successful. The above is what I shared today. Follow us to view subsequent sharing content.